you're a real estate agent and you found this video, you're in the right place. So allow me to introduce myself. Hi, my name's Laressa Ngoeun and I'm your best friend. You don't need no one else on this platform. I'm your one-stop shop, I keep it real estate. Yeah, I got all the videos to show you what I know, cause I'm a Canva champion on this channel having fun. Now you know I got the vibe, so you better hit subscribe. Hold up, let me run it right back. What's up? I wanna keep you on track. Link up, you know I got all the hacks. I'ma make you that real estate agent. I'm your bestie, I keep it friendly. Don't believe me? Book a call with me, then you will see what you need to see. Cause I'ma make you that real estate agent. Meet up, partner up, it's just you and me. Stack up, rack up at EXP. Work hard, play hard, yeah, we live the dream. Don't be shy, cause I want you on my team. Ow. Hello my friend, my name is Laressa Ngoeun and welcome to this channel. I am an agent with eXp Realty, a content creator, Etsy shop owner, and a proud Canva ambassador based in Alberta, Canada. Yeah, I bet you didn't expect that. This is a place on the internet where I help fellow real estate brothers and sisters keep it real estate so you can become that real estate agent. And if you find any of my videos valuable, please like and share them with your real estate agent besties out there, and consider supporting my creative work on Etsy, as I do sell Canva and Notion templates for real estate agents. And this is a special PSA for my Canadian and American real estate agent besties watching. Yes, I'm talking to you. If you are an agent that wants to build, scale, and leverage your business with modern social media strategies, and you want to be plugged into a system that can take you from here to here, which is where you want to go, then I need to chat with you. So scan this code here to learn how you can book a call with me and learn how you can partner with me at eXp Realty, part of the Agent Wolfpack organization. Because listen, if you know, you know. And if you want to know, best believe I'm going to tell you. Just book a call with me, please. But with that said, thank you so much for being here, and until we get to meet, I will catch you in this video right over here. And if you're ready, get ready to click in 3, 2, 1.